Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Jensen unit supports Bluetooth and that your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. This avoids wasted steps. Next, power the radio and switch the source to Bluetooth mode. Some units auto-enter pairing when no device is connected. Once done, make your phone discoverable and keep it within 3 to 10 feet. This reduces interference. If prompted, choose the Jensen device name on your phone. You'll hear a tone or see a confirmation on the display when the connection is initiated. You should now select the Jensen device shown in your phone's Bluetooth list. If a PIN appears, enter the default or confirm the code to pair. After pairing, make sure media and phone audio permissions are enabled so music and calls route correctly. Next, set a moderate volume on both the radio and phone. Too loud can distort. Also, disable or forget other nearby paired devices to prevent automatic interruptions. This step stabilizes the link and ensures consistent audio routing for calls and media. You finish by testing. Play music and make a quick call to verify microphone and speaker function. If audio drops, reconnect from the phone's Bluetooth menu and make sure the Jensen isn't connected to another device. If pairing fails, reboot both devices, then delete stale pairings on the phone and retry. This fixes most conflicts. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the radio, but be sure you've tried restarts and cleared pairings first. This avoids losing saved stations unless necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.